Yeah, I just got that yesterday.
Really? For a show?
Yeah, a little swag. The swag wagon. You know the swag wagon.
That's nice.
No, that thing's killer.
God, it's like a suitcase.
It's a suitcase and it's a backpack and it's
I've seen those and actually
it's a Learjet and
microwave oven.
a microwave oven and a refrigerator and a very small car.
Yeah. We're just pushing out. Yep. Okay. Well, we'll be back in probably 10 minutes. We're already totally struck. We're just rolling to the dock. All right. Bye.